Welcome back. Have you ever installed an app, tapped allow, and never thought about it again? Most of us do, but there are 2 Android permissions that deserve a closer look, because if the wrong app has them, it could do much more than you expect. In this video, I'll show you what these 2 permissions are, how to check if any app has them, and when it's a good idea to turn them off. Let's begin. The first permission is called accessibility. Accessibility was created to help people who need extra assistance using their phones. It can help users control their device more easily, read text aloud, or improve navigation. Because this permission can access many parts of your phone, you should only give it to apps you completely trust. If you see an app with accessibility access and you don't remember turning it on, or you no longer use that app, it's a good idea to review it. So, how do you check these permissions? First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap accessibility. Then open the list of installed or downloaded accessibility services. Look through every app carefully. If something looks unfamiliar or unnecessary, switch that permission off. Now let's look at the second permission, and this one is even more important. That's display over other apps. On some Android phones, you might see it called appear on top or draw over other apps. This permission lets an app show content on top of whatever you're using. That doesn't automatically make it dangerous. In fact, many well-known apps use it for helpful features. Chat bubbles, floating tools, and some screen recording apps all need this permission to work properly. The problem starts when an app asks for this permission even though it has no real reason to use it. For example, if a simple flashlight, wallpaper, calculator, or music app wants to appear over other apps, it's worth asking why. If you don't understand why an app needs this permission, it's usually safer to leave it disabled. To check this, go back to Settings, Open Apps, and find Special App Access. Depending on your phone, you may need to tap the menu icon first. Then select Display over other apps or Appear on top. Review the apps in the list and disable this permission for any app that doesn't genuinely need it. Finally, make it a habit to review your app permissions every few months. Apps can change over time, and updates may request new permissions that you didn't notice before. Spending just a few minutes checking your settings can help you keep your phone more secure. That's it. Still got any problem? Share in comment. Thanks for watching.